Eto na, sobrang mabilis ay yung preparation, 1.5 months. Na dati, akala ko hindi ko siya ma-experience. I'll make my mama proud.
Salamat. Mahal na mahal kita at aalagaan kita. Baka tatandaan mo ang tatlong kasagat niyan. Dahil maaaring hindi ko yan, alam mo na hindi ako outspoken na tao. Katulad nga ng nabanggit mo, hindi ako madalas mag-reply sa chat ka. Pero, naniniwala kasi ako na itong tatlong kasagat to, hindi ko madalas masasabi sa'yo. Pero, ito ang sinisigurado ko sa'yo. Ipaparamdam ko yan sa'yo.
Love, itong gift na to, ito yung naisip kong pinaka-best. Dahil hindi man siya ganun kamahal or eksakto dun sa ini-expect mo, pero ito yung magre-represent sa magiging role ko bilang asawa mo. Bilang provider ng pamilyang bubuuin natin. Dahil alam mo, love, nakalook forward ako sa kung anong haharapin natin after ng kasal. Love, sana ma-appreciate mo at tandaan mong mahal na mahal kita.
Alam kong masaya siya ngayon kasi natupad na yung pangarap niya sa anak niya. And, guys, this is the day, the best day ever.
Not sure if you know this, but when we first met, I got so nervous I couldn't speak. In that very moment, I found the one, and my life had found its missing piece. So as long as I live, I love you, will have and hold you. You look so beautiful in white, and from now to my very last breath, this day I'll cherish. You look so beautiful in white tonight.
Kaya lagi kong sinasabi sa wedding, yan po ay team effort. Together, every time, achieve more. So lahat ng desisyon nyo as a couple, make sure na you agree and you consult God.
And if a daughter is what our future holds, I hope she has your eyes, finds love like you and I did. Yeah, but when she falls in love, we'll let her go. And I won't go down the aisle. She looks so beautiful in white. You look so beautiful in white. So as long as I live, I love you, we'll have
pagsisisihan na pakasalan ka. Kasi tunay kitang mahal. Isa kang biyaya sa buhay ko. Isa kang regalo.
Oh, don't you dare look back, just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said shut up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny. She said ooh, shut up and dance with me.
Please use the hashtag si Alpha at si Arlon sa habang panahon.
We were victims of the night, the chemical, physical, kryptonite. Helpless to the base and fading light. Oh, we were bound to get together, bound to get together. She took my arm, I don't know how it happened. We took the floor and she said, oh, don't you dare look back, just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said shut up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny. She said ooh, shut up and dance with me.
Ngayon ay kayo isa na kayo ngayon. Gusto ko mabuhay kayo ng masaya. Pangalawa, magpakarami kayo. Pangatlo, magpakayaman kayo. So, mahal na mahal ko kayo.
She took my arm, I don't know how it happened. We took the floor and she said, oh, don't you dare look back, just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said shut up and dance with
Sino
me.
ang pipiliin mo? Si A or si B?
Malapit.
But it's my destiny. She said ooh, shut up and dance with me. Oh, come on, girl. Deep in her eyes, I think I see the future. I realize this is my last chance. She took my arm, I don't know how it happened. We took the floor and she said,
Napakaswerte. Swerte kayo kasi may Sir God na dadagdagan pa ng Optimians family. So, continue your journey of your lives.
Kung ako yung masusunod, huwag na kayo mag-anak. Enjoy nyo yung buhay nyo kasi minsan lang yung ganyan na magkasama kayo.
Umpisahan nyo na nandun lagi ang Panginoon. And you share. When you share, blessing will be multiplied within you.
she said